All right, let's quickly go over the metric system because we're going to use this a lot. Today we'll see the metric system, and the next video we'll probably go over the apothecary system or the household system. But today, let's see what the metric system is. It's a system of measurement based on the meter as measure of length, the gram as measure of weight, and the liter as measure of capacity. So I'm going to have liter, gram, and meter. These are the base, what I call unit. 1 liter or 1 gram or 1 meter. Now from this base unit, you're going to have to shift from this to, let's say, microliter or microgram or micrometer. So this is the table. If I'm talking about gram here, 1 gram, I can shift from 1 gram to any of these. 1 gram is 10 decigram, is 100 centigram, is 1000 milligram, is 1 million microgram. If I go down here, 1 gram is 1/10 of a decagram, 100th of a hectogram, and 1,000th of a kilogram. So 1 kilogram is 1,000 gram, 1 hectogram is 100 gram, 1 decagram is 10 gram. It's the same for liter or meter. If I say 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So it's a decimal system. We go from 10, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, etc. So this is the base from what we're going to be doing, the problems we're going to be doing next. Understand the equivalents and use them, shift easily from one unit to another. All right? Or if we have the same unit, let's say I have gram, I can shift from milligram to microgram to decigram, knowing that these are the prefixes. These are the prefixes. I use this in front of any of those. I can have microliter. On microliter is 1 millionth liter. 1 milliliter is 1,000 liter. 1 centiliter is 100th liter, and so on and so forth. I can shift from liter to gram to meter as long as I use those prefixes. All right? So we're going to be using these in the next video.